Hello, hello everyone, and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Gaggia Academia espresso machine. Now, for this machine, it was brought back to us because it was having an issue with the automatic rinsing cycle of the machine. Whenever you were turning on this machine, the machine automatically does a rinsing cycle, and it wasn't able to complete that cycle. It was asking the machine to refill itself, and it would just try to do the rinsing cycle back again, and it would not just be able to do it. We went inside the whole machine, checked every single valve around it, and we found out the water pump was not performing the rinsing cycle as it should be. So we replaced the water pump on this machine, and after that we run a bunch of tests to it, and the machine has been able to do the rinsing cycle without any problems. It's been able to do all the stuff as well, like espresso, as well as cappuccino latte. We've been testing this machine quite a lot, and the machine has just been performing well. We also let the machine cool off and turn it back on to do the automatic rinsing cycles of the machine, and every time it's just been performing well, and it's just been getting into the menu and on the ready to use phase. So right now we're gonna be doing an espresso, then we're gonna be hopefully doing a automatic rinsing cycle on this machine. Alright, nice flow coming out of the machine. I put more water. Now I'm gonna turn it off. Now the machine is gonna turn off, and hopefully it will do the automatic rinsing cycle, which is that one. And as you can see, it's performing really well. Nice flow coming out of the spouts. Working great. We're gonna turn it on. And there you go. Back again in the menu. So there you have it. Gaggia Academia working once again with a new pump and doing the automatic rinsing cycles. Thank you so much for the Premium Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.